Hi all, welcome back. My name is Darshan Kulkarni and I'm the principal attorney at the Kulkarni law firm. The firm focuses on helping life sciences companies and their service providers comply with the myriad of state, local, and federal laws, regulations, and guidances that apply to their businesses. It's important to recognize that these discussions are not implied or meant to be understood as legal advice and should not be taken as such. Your situation may be different. However, if you believe that you would like specific advice, please feel free to reach out to me via email at darshan@conformlaw.com. That's DARSHAN at conformlaw.com, or by phone at 215-703-7842. Of course, please do not provide any confidential communications since we have not established an attorney-client relationship, and such relationships will not be established until we have a written agreement to that effect signed by both parties. The question we're looking at today is about Dr. Blue and his exciting study sample. We're going to go after the wrong answers first and then go to the right answer. The first thing to look at is can he keep the study sample for the next study as it presently stands? No, he can't keep it as it stands because it would be a violation of the authorization given by the subject. When the subject took part in the study, he signed an authorization for one study. When you want to use it for another study without his authorization, you're going beyond his authorization, and that's problematic. Option number 2, yes, as long as the subject signs another consent form for the new study. Actually, this would also be the correct answer. So the option number A was a correct answer. Option number B is also a correct answer because if the subject signs another consent form, he's giving the consent for the next study, and therefore you have paperwork and you have a demonstration that the patient understood what they were taking part in. But then you would ask, how can you both have a yes and a no answer that are both correct? The yes answer is just a rephrased no answer. That same option B, which is yes as long as the subject signs another consent form for the new study, could have been easily rephrased to say no because there is no consent form for a new study. So it's just another way to phrase it, and it's important to recognize that this was just a different way to look at the same issue. Option number C, no, because your study SOP requires that all blood samples be tested within 3 days. The proposed study sample will not last 3 days and will hence not be a valid option. That would be true as well, because if your SOP doesn't allow it, then you can't use it. So we know that both A and B are not correct because we know C is also not correct. Only B and C are is not the right option either, because all three, A, B, and C, would be the right options. So the correct answer in all of this is option number D, all of the above, because the person cannot keep it because it would be a violation. He could keep it if he had a new consent form, and Dr. Blue could get the study SOP, and because the study SOP doesn't allow it. If you guys have any specific questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care. Bye-bye.